Hello everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 199 and the name of the lesson is itinerary. And the objective of this lesson is that students will research and create a 3-day itinerary for the trip to Dubai, focusing on key attractions, activities and logistical details. For the first step, you are going to write the word on the board and you will pronounce the word together. Then you will explain that an itinerary is a plan of a journey, including the route and the places that you will be visiting. You will explain the objective of the lesson is to research and prepare a detailed itinerary, a 3-day trip to Dubai, and you will briefly discuss the sample itinerary. You will write the itinerary given in your FRB on the board. For the second step, you will instruct the students to research and prepare a 3-day itinerary to Dubai. Students can prepare the itinerary for other places as well. And the students should work with their peers. All members should have a turn to work on the task. You will circulate to make sure that students are on task and taking turns at the laptops. You will provide support as needed and will keep a track of time. For the third step, once students have finished, you will ask pairs to move and see the work of the other pairs. Then you will give a few pairs time to present their itinerary to the class. The second part of the lesson is navigating city life, and the objectives of this lesson are that students identify barriers and challenges to living in a city life, and students can discuss strategies to be prepared for moving to a city, to find support and to cope with the challenges. For the first step, you are going to share the objectives of the lesson with the class and you will call on 1 or 2 students to explain in their own words. If time allows, you will ask why learning this can help them in their life, and you will ask students to raise their hand if they believe they could benefit in some way if they moved to a city. Then you will ask them to raise their hands if they have plans to move to a city. Then you will call on students to share what is preventing them from leaving their village. You will acknowledge the students' reasons and add that they could benefit from going to a city even for a short time and then returning to their village. Then you will ask 2 questions from the students. The questions are: how could working or studying for 1 or 2 years in a city benefit you? What knowledge, skills and resources do you think you could bring back to your family or your village? For the second step, you are going to divide the students into a group of 3 or 4 and you will ask them to open their SRB. They should read the scenarios and discuss the questions within their groups. And after giving 10 minutes to discuss, you will call on 2 or 3 groups to share their answers for each question. For the third step, you are going to mix up the groups or keep the students in the same groups depending on the comfort level of the students. Then you will ask them to answer the question in part B of their SRB as a group. You should try to come up to an agreement about which 3 are most important. Then you will call on each group to share their 3 choices and reasons for choosing with the class. For the fourth step, you are going to ask students what they think would be the number 1 most difficult thing about living in the city, and they should write their answers on the board. Then you will conduct a TPS activity, and the questions for the TPS are: choose one of the challenges listed on the board. If you move to a city, how would you cope with that challenge? And who or what could provide you with some support? Lastly, you are going to acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session and you will conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.